So just because they generate the data through us doesn't mean that they have to reveal the important metadata that says, these are the controls, these are the treatment groups, and so on.
When will you launch?
Well, we are basically ready to go. We just need funding to scale up, and sometime within the next 6 months, we should be ready to start accepting samples.
Can you just accept fewer samples with less funding now?
Well, we could probably be ready to go within a few months. We just got space, and we're still in the process of determining the funding models that we're going after.
BMoGen, you're up.
Hi there, how's everybody doing? You holding up? So I'm Jeff Leiter, I'm with BMoGen Biotechnologies. I'm going to just real quickly, which way to go? To the right? So classic forward-looking statement. So who are we and what do we do? We're a genome editing company, a gene editing company. Today that market is estimated to be at $3.9 billion. There's a couple of major players out there called Horizon, Discovery, and Transposogen. We have a book of services and products that are very similar to those. That's not the primary purpose of our organization, though. What we do is we have 4 key developments that are currently underway that we think are going to be game changers in this industry. Later on in the presentation, I'm going to talk about 2 of them because that's all the only time we have. So we just recently completed our Series A financing. We're about 97% filled as of this afternoon. We got another investor. And we will be, if 2 of the 4 developments that we have underway really pan out, we will be going to a Series B in the first quarter of 2017. We've been market facing since about February. We've booked $150,000 of business. We have customers like Gilead Sciences, Harvard Medical, BioGen. So we're on our way. So we break our business into 3 buckets. We currently do offer these products and services. It is just gene editing services that go. We're currently actively delivering on those. Then we also have collaborative researches where we take our proprietary technology and we work with our customers to kind of embed them into their particular products. We have a relationship with Biotechne that we're doing that today. On the third kind of bucket of our business is where we're really doing innovations and development, of which I'd like to tell you about 2 of them today. So in the gene delivery, especially if you look at the CAR T-cell world that has taken off just like rocket fires in the last kind of 6 to 10 months, they use lentiviral vectors to do their gene modification. And currently there's some big challenges around that. They're expensive to make. The supply of those lentiviral vectors is inconsistent, so therefore clinical trials have stopped. We believe we have some methods that are going to allow us to do non-viral gene delivery in efficiency rates that are equal to or better than the lentiviral vectors. It'll be much reduced cost for them to manufacture, and eventually it'll be product consistency will be significantly improved. So this is one of our big developments. We've got proof points that the track we're on is working, and we hope to deliver this kind of to the marketplace in the latter part of 2016. The other area that we're working very hard on is we've got a exclusive license with the Mayo in mitochondria DNA editing. So we will be the first company to go out and do mitochondria DNA editing into the commercial marketplace. There's proven work that it works in fish. We have now doing work to kind of make this mechanism work in humans. So we think there's a multitude of applications there, from diseases and therapeutic applications to also reference standards that we can put into labs that do mitochondria analytics. So this is our team. It's based out of the University of Minnesota. Some of the founders of the team that are scientists that are well known in this particular space. So again, I'm Jeff Leiter. I'd be happy to talk to anybody in regards to what we're doing after this day is over. Questions?
Yeah, so sorry if I missed it, but are you selling like gene editing as a service?
Yes, so it's both products and services. So we can sell kits and the reagents, but then we also will take people's cell lines and gene modify them. and your
Got it.
knock-ins or knockouts.
Okay. And how do those two business models play together?
So the products, reagents, we're going to sell over the web, as you might guess, and try and minimize our amount of effort there. On the services, it's a direct enterprise sell where we're talking to those customers. And average range of those are $10,000 to $20,000 depending on the complexity.
I'm curious what your plan is on taking on Zyapharm that uses Sleeping Beauty transposons for CAR T-cell therapy and has, of course, a $27 billion company that's in back of it.
Yeah, great question. And we basically have two very underdeveloped transposons that have not been commercialized or exploited in the marketplace anywhere today. We've got freedom to operate. We're working on that. We've got our filing our patents on them in about a week and a half. So that's how we plan on doing it. Great, thank you.
Twigs, are you ready? All right.
Hi, I'm Murtaza Alaktawala, co-founder of Beltwigs. We are the next generation of conception. The reality is, today, families are waiting until later to start having kids. As a result, 1 in 5 women have trouble right now getting pregnant. Solutions exist, but are extremely limited. You have pregnancy tests, ovulation tests, disposable tests, reusable tests, finding microscopes, and there are websites that help you interpret those tests, and then you have to manually enter all this data into peer trackers. Clearly, it's overwhelming. It's a huge part of your life. Even after spending hundreds of dollars on trying such products, the result is a feeling of frustration and lost time. Annually, just in the United States, families are spending over $5 billion on fertility products and services. And that's where we come in. Welltwigs is a mobile platform that uses a combination of hardware sensors and app-based algorithms to help women take control of their health.